So here's how I bagged an absolutely beautiful trade yesterday on NQ. I'm going to go through it here as always before we begin. Join my free Discord down below. It is free. Get yourself in there and you can catch some trades like this. I alerted this in premium yesterday and everyone in there absolutely banked. And I'm going to show you exactly what I did. This is my strategy. So all I do when I wake up every day, I come onto the charts and I basically look at what the charts are doing. And as you can see here, let me just go back into replay mode so you can see what was going on here. I woke up at like 8 o'clock or something in the morning. So I'll wind this on. Obviously, new week opening gap. Massive, massive gap in the chart. And this is always a really, really good draw on liquidity. A place that you can target. These gaps get filled really, really often. So I get onto the charts about here. And I'm thinking, ooh la la. I've got this huge gap here that I want to target. I basically go through and mark out all the lows. This is where I want to trade from. You can see my strategy is outlined here. And then basically what happens is we have this little pump to the upside here into the gap. We come down, we sweep this low. And then look what's happening here. I've got my low marked here that I want to trade from. You can see this is one of the lows that I want to trade from. I always wait for sell side to get swept and then I look to target buy side. This is just how I trade. Longs for me work better than shorts in general, so I just basically take longs. I don't take shorts really that much anymore because my win rate is just bigger with longs. So I just do that. I just cut out all the nonsense. I've got about an 80% win rate. I got 100k of payouts last year with Apex, Lucid, Top Step and Tradeify. So really, really good stuff. And it's really simple. This is my strategy. So I identify liquidity. First step on my list, I've got this huge gap here that I want to get filled. So I'm looking to take longs into it. And I think this is going to work. I had a really good conviction that once we get ourselves a nice sweep, and if we get ourselves a good reaction, this is going to run up through this gap. This is what I was thinking. And you can see here, we also left this wick here, which was actually a news wick or a data wick or whatever you want to call it. These also have a really good chance of getting hit. They're a good draw on liquidity. So I've got liquidity. I've got this local interim high here which I can target and this huge gap here that I can target for runners. So what have we got? This is my strategy. I take these sweep and inverted fair value gap plays. This is what I do. So let's go close. Let's get in here real close so you can see what's going on. I've got my liquidity identified so I know what I'm going to target up above. I've got this really obvious wick. That is my first target. I've got a sweep of liquidity here. Lovely sweep. Let's see what happens on the next candle. So we get ourselves a interesting doji candle. This can't be a 3 candle pattern V shape anymore. But then look at the next candle. Really, really good candle this is. Really, really good candle. Look at how this candle closed. It's got literally no bottom wick or top wick. It's a very strong bullish candle straight through the gap. This is what I trade. Sweep, inverted fair value gap, back to the upside. I like 3 candle pattern V shapes. This one was 4 because you can see obviously this was one, if I can draw properly, 1, 2, 3 candles, creating the fair value gap there. And then we had this 4th one, and then we got the inverse. But still, this momentum looks really good. We inversed the 5-minute gap. 5-minute gap, so it's got lots and lots of orders in there. More, I would say more effective than lower time frame gaps because obviously the higher the time frame gap, the more weight it will hold on the charts. So I entered this trade. It was pretty simple. This is what I do. I wait for a sweep of liquidity. I've got my targets above. I've got decent conviction that this is going to go up here. I had a good feeling about this one having a nice move to the upside, at least towards this wick high. So I enter. And then I'm looking to target 1 for 1. I risk about $200 per trade on 30 accounts that I copy trade. And I basically target 1 for 1. I scale half and go break even at this level here. My risk is a manual stop about halfway between the low and the gap. So if we do something like this, where we come up and then we come back down, I'll close in somewhere in the region of here for about $200 loss on my accounts and call it a day. But I don't even remember the last time that I actually lost. Usually my trades are either a scale half and break even or they run to my targets because my strategy has been really cooking recently. I've got 4 or 5, 6 wins in the past 2 weeks and a lot of them are 3 or 4 or 5R, which is pretty incredible. Go in the Discord if you want to see them. If you sign up for premium, you can see all my previous trades as well. And just go in there because it's free. When we get 100 members, we're going to do a giveaway, so go and do that. So as you can see here, this is my strategy. I've got my sweep. I've got my liquidity. I've got a good bullish reaction. I've got momentum. I've got my inverted fair value gap. I've got a 4 candle pattern V shape, which is almost as good. But this momentum here really sold me. So I enter. And then I'm looking to target 1R. And then what happens next? Over the next few candles, as you can see, we come up and we hit 1R. And we keep going. So I scaled half here. I risked about 3. I believe this tool here is actually sized for about $100 risk. So I think I was in about 4 micros. So I scaled 2 here, $100 profit, and then I went break even. So this is a free trade now. Absolutely amazing stuff. Totally free trade. And I'm looking to hold runners for liquidity. So let's just wind this on. And as you can see, this didn't take very long at all. This was an absolutely amazing trade. In the space of about, what is this, an hour or so, we came up to the next high, at which I scaled another runner here. So this is up, what is this, 100 points? Almost 100, about 100 points, so it's another $200. So that's $300 off $200 risk, and I'm still holding another runner, which is in $200 profit, remember. I've still got one more micro, and then this is what happened next. We come up and we continue to fill the gap. And at this point, I was just thinking, we come down, we obviously chop around a bit for open, but then when I saw this big 5 minute, I'm thinking, yeah, we're definitely going to come and fill this gap. So I basically held my runner here, my final runner up for the fill of this gap up to around, this is what is this, 200 points, that's another $400. So on my Lucid Flexes, which I took this on, I made about $700 per account. There's no consistency. I'm funded with Lucid Flex, which is fantastic. And I made about $700 on this trade for about $200 risk. And it literally was the easiest thing in the world, guys. I'm not saying that trading is easy per se, but my strategy makes things so no stress and carefree for me. I just basically wait for, I set alerts at liquidity, lows, I wait for them to get swept, and then I just see if there's trades that I can take. I enter the trade, and then I just watch and see if it plays out. I don't have to worry about, like, you know, managing the trade, being like, oh, I don't know if I'm going to get in or I'm going to get out. I've got clear rules, clear targets. Everything is decided before I get into the trade. There's no arbitrary decision making that happens in the trade itself. I just take the trades that I think are good. Like I said, I've got about an 80% win rate. Recently, I haven't lost a trade in like 3 weeks. It's been pretty ridiculous, to be honest. And honestly, I'm having a great time because this is just so, it's just so simple, but it works so well. I don't have to be on the charts all day. I just set alerts, and then when they get hit, I'll come and check the charts and go, oh, there might be a trade here, and then I'll see if a trade like sets up. 5 minute ones are the best because they've got lots and lots of orders in them. This one was just an absolute banger, guys. What an absolutely incredible trade. So obvious in hindsight, but you can obviously identify this in real time. Again, if we go back to replay mode here, you can see we're already in replay mode. I'm being a dum-dum. Let me go back to here again. You can see this happening in real time. You can see this happening in real time. We sweep the low, and then we get a doji candle, and then the next candle we get close over. So you enter there. It's really simple, and the rest was history. And as you can see, I mean, this just kept going. I mean, I could have held this for... In hindsight, it makes me feel like I should always hold an extra runner on these really bullish days, because you can see here, for the rest of the session, we went up 500 points. So I could have made like $1,200, $300 per account. Obviously, being greedy in trading is the quickest way to get wrecked, and I had to be happy with a 1 to 11 RR on a runner there. But anyway, guys, that is my strategy. That is my trade I took yesterday. I hope you learned something valuable from this. I do daily videos about my strategy. They're all totally free. You don't need to buy, if I can get my words out, anything off me. I'm not asking for anything. All I'm asking for is a like and a subscribe, really. If you do want to join the free Discord, where I give my daily forecasts for what I think is going to happen, you can do that down below. At 100 members, which is going to happen soon, we're going to do a giveaway, so make sure you go down and get involved. And if you do want to get alerts for my trades, then you can get them in the premium, in the WAP, in the description below as well. I alerted this trade in premium. Everyone in there took it, and they all bagged an absolute bag yesterday. And this was the best trade of the day by far. Absolutely amazing trade. Today, it looks like we are cooked in terms of price action. We'll see if we can get any trades from these areas here. But right now, looking like we're incredibly high in premium. But anyway, guys, I'm going to leave it there because I don't want to ramble on too long. Thank you very much for watching. As I said, get in the free Discord giveaway soon in there at 100 members. Join the premium, and I will catch you in the next video. Cheers.